guys, what's up and good morning? What's going on? So today I'm really shocked and I'm really happy because you know what, like a few months ago, we added like 5 to 10 shrimps in our tiny little pond. And guess what? When we checked today, we saw like hundreds of them. Like hundreds of them. I'm really shocked. Let's check it out. So there are a lot of tiny shrimps right there. They love to swim and hide under the plant's leaves. They also love foraging food in the rocks. And I think they also love my hands. There are adults and there are tiny ones, juveniles. I think the color varies based on their age. So when they are still younger, they are transparent. And as they turn into adulthood, they transform into fiery reds. There are still a bunch more under the rocks underneath, and you cannot see it in the video, but there are a lot of them. They're swimming everywhere. They would go forage for food. They love to hide under the leaves, under the rocks, and they're just beautiful. And that's it. So I was really happy and I'm really shocked. And you know what? Shrimps are very easy to grow, very easy to care. And I just could not believe that they could multiply into hundreds in just a few months.